Read with me. We read Babushka's Mother Goose by Patricia Polacco. A windy day. It was a very windy day. My kerchief blew away. High into the sky it went, over by the bay. A graceful crane flew by and put it on her head. Then she flew to see the Tsar and sat upon his head. A frog jumped past the sill that day and landed on his nose. "How dare you come and jump on me? You know, I am the Tsar." With that, he pulled Frog off his nose and put it in a jar. Out Frog jumped and bumped the crane and took the scarf away. Then he hopped past Yasha's house and plopped into the bay. A fish swam by and saw the scarf wrapped around the froggy head. "I'd love to have that pretty thing. It's perfect for my bed." Mrs. Fox came to the pond and looked into the water. "I love your kerchief. May I have it? It's perfect for my daughter." Young Fox wore it through the forest and ran into the bear. "That scarf," Bear said. "May I wear it? I'll treat it with such care." But it was a very windy day. The kerchief blew away. It blew high up into the air and landed on my hair.